Alright, you reckless camera-loving bastards, listen the fuck up. If you're still using some cheap-ass camera that looks like it was made by a goddamn caveman, it's time to upgrade to the GoPro Max2, the motherfucking 360-plus traditional action camera that's about to change your life. This bad boy is packed with true 8K 360 video, 29 MP 360 photos, and enough goddamn technology to make you look like a fucking pro. And get this, it only costs $499.99, which is a damn bargain for the level of insanity this thing's packing. And if you're ready to stop looking like an amateur and actually level the up, I've left a link to the best deals down in my description below. Don't be a dumbass. Click it and get yourself set up right. Let's talk about the 8K 360 video, because this shit is going to blow your mind. You don't need to aim. You don't need to frame shit. Just hit the fucking shutter button and boom, you've got the entire goddamn world around you in true 8K detail. This is the kind of footage that'll make your grandma think you're filming a Hollywood blockbuster. You're capturing everything, 360 degrees of pure fucking magic. Don't know what that means? It means you can record all the bullshit without worrying about missing a single moment. And when you're done, use the GoPro Quik app to reframe that shit into traditional 4K videos. Easy, smooth, and way better than that garbage footage you've been dealing with. Now, invisible mounting, yep, you heard that right. You can attach the Max2 to a pole, and guess what? The fucking pole disappears. Gone. Like magic. You know those stunning drone-like shots? Yeah, you're gonna look like a goddamn action hero with this camera. Invisible selfies, drone footage, and some next-level shots that'll make your friends wonder how the hell you pulled it off. Forget about holding your camera awkwardly or looking like a dumbass trying to get the perfect shot. Just stick it on the pole, hit record, and let the camera do all the heavy lifting. And let's not forget about the best POV. This camera doesn't just do the basics, it takes your creativity to a whole new fucking level. You want the widest, most immersive point of view footage possible? You got it. From selfies to follow cam footage, the Max2 lets you capture the kind of footage that makes you look like a goddamn action star. And when you're done, just pop that footage into the GoPro Quik app, adjust the video stabilization and horizon lock, and boom, you've got cinematic gold ready to drop. No more shaky bullshit. No more missing the perfect angle. This thing does it all. Now, let's talk about the replaceable lenses. If you're out in the wild, getting the perfect shot and you happen to scratch the lens, because let's face it, you're probably going to fuck it up somehow, no worries. The Max2 comes with replaceable lenses that are made from super strong optical glass and are water repelling. If you scratch that shit, you don't have to toss the whole damn camera. You just swap out the lens and you're back in the game. Get your ass back to recording without any of the bullshit. What's included in this badass package? Glad you asked. You're getting the Max2 camera, 2 protective lens caps, a 1960 milliamp hour Enduro battery. So you don't have to charge every 5 minutes, a curved adhesive mount, a mounting buckle plus thumb screw, USB-C cable, and a microfiber lens cloth. That's everything you need to start recording your bullshit adventures like a goddamn pro. For $499.99, you're getting a camera that does everything but wipe your ass. Whether you're jumping off cliffs, skiing down mountains, or just filming your drunk ass trying to make it through a house party, the GoPro Max2 will be there to capture the madness in stunning detail. 8K video, invisible mounting, replaceable lenses, this camera's got it all. If you don't want to be a complete idiot with your content, get the GoPro Max2. I've linked it down in the description. Click it, grab that shit, and thank me later. Stop f***ing around with that low quality bullshit. Grab the GoPro Max2 and start recording your life like you've never done before. Hit the link, buy this shit, and thank me later when your footage looks f***ing amazing. Don't wait, don't hesitate, grab this beast now. Like, comment, subscribe, or don't. Honestly, I don't give a f***.